Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Here's something that we always make very, very quickly. It's known as a naan pizza. So first of all, prepare your sauce, whatever you like. We've got mayo and we've got tomato ketchup there. Okay, spread that all over. It's going to be a really simple naan pizza. Okay, so of course you can buy naans or make yourself some fresh one. That's looking really nice. Okay, we're going to have a thin layer of cheese on there. So once you've got your thin layer, can we have some onions on there, please? Onions all over. So as you can see, these are the only two toppings we're going to have: onions and tandoori chicken. Okay, can we add some tandoori masala to that, please? Chicken tandoori. Okay, that's coming on nicely. Can we have loads of cheese on there? Lots and lots of cheese. And that's going to go into the oven for around about 10 minutes on low heat. We put it on about 5 or 6. There we have it, viewers, the final product. A lovely, lovely, lovely naan pizza. They really are delicious. Try it.